Grundfos expands its cooling portfolio by launching cutting-edge solution, expanding cooling technology with MIXIT IE5 pump solution. Yes, my dear friends, a global leader in intelligent and energy-efficient pumping solution launched MIXIT, a groundbreaking HVAC solution at ACREX India 2025. This next generation technology is set to transform energy efficiency in heating and cooling system. According to JLL, India, the world fastest growing economic in project to see growth in its commercial space market across the top 7 cities by 1 billion square feet by 2026 and touch 1.2 billion square feet by 2030. Direct cooling in India is critical to addressing the rapidly growing demand for space cooling, which is increasing by 15 to 20% annually, driven by urbanizations, rising income and increasing temperature.
The fact that 40% of the CO2 emissions are coming from existing buildings, we will continue to focus on the emerging markets, and we will continue to focus on the fact that buildings have to be more and more efficient in the future. And that's a commitment that we in Grundfos are giving, and that's the reason why we are so much focused on developing new technologies that you also will see that we are launching here at ACREX today. Emerging market is important for Grundfos because that's where we can develop our business. And India is, in the Grundfos context, a developing market. So we are monitoring very carefully what are the trends, what are the demands that are happening in a market like India, and then try to meet the demands in such a market. And you will see that today when you see
one other innovation from our end, and cooling is another important application as far as India as a market is concerned. As all been briefed by various studies across the market, this is one of the fastest growing application area in this market. And we expect, as we are moving into more industrialization in India, as we're picking up in terms of manufacturing, this is going to scale up both in terms of comfort cooling as well as in the process cooling in industries. So we see a huge potential, and this is one of the innovations which we have launched, and this, as rightly said by Niren, we are not going to stop it here, we will come out more and more in coming years. With that note, I would go.
You made it so simple that you told it is plug and play.
Yes.
So you made it very simple, but on outlook it looks very simple, but inside it is a very complex combination, I can say. The reason is, since you are told whether it is a tailor-made application or you are going to focus particularly in the Indian market, it is for how the application is going to take place. Maybe I think you are confined to a certain segments, or this your plug and pay, this one is going to take it, or you are going to build a tailor-made projects as per the customer's requirement. This is my answer, because one particular variant what now you are given the demonstration, maybe it is going to confine to the certain applications or certain industries or a certain setbacks. So I want to know what exactly your vision, how exactly you want to cover the Indian market, because it's basically on environmental and regional, I can say. As it is cooling and heating that comes, it differs from region to region. Region to region it differs, and how exactly your applications is going to take place. And what exactly the business that you are going to tap in the next 3 years or 4 or 5 years.
Down the road.
Down the line.
Okay.
For the neighboring countries, we are definitely growing very steadily. Last year, India, we have crossed 1,000 crores for the first time, which is almost 11% over the previous year. So that's a significant growth when we look at the global decline in sales, actually. So.
My name is Niren Rohanlal. I'm the Regional Product Manager for commercial buildings for India, Middle East and Africa. And today I have our new innovative solution called MIXIT. MIXIT is an all-in-one solution where we can do heating and cooling for mixed loop systems. Here you can see it's connected to a Grundfos circulator pump. These can speak wirelessly to each other. What we've actually done is we've simplified the process of mixed loop systems where you have normally from 10 to 12 components, and we've taken that sort of idea and we've put that into one complete solution that we call MIXIT. Inside we have intelligent components, but we also have intelligent software and an algorithm that can speak and give command to the pump that they can adapt into the system. Here we can see we're trying to maintain a constant temperature in the system with this little demo unit, and I can also communicate wirelessly from my cell phone app to this MIXIT unit. I can do the setting of the system, I can pull out reports, I can do everything from there. Once that is set, we have a system that's installed and well maintained. If there are any challenges, we also have the option of integrating these systems to a building management system or SCADA system where you can have full access, control and monitoring to the system that you see here. So in short is we've simplified mixed loop systems by introducing this new solution called MIXIT, and where we also have our intelligent circulator pump, the Magna pump that we can offer to the market. We look forward to drive this solution into the Indian market for various types of applications, both heating and cooling. And the good thing about the Indian market is, you know, we have the opportunity and we have a product that's already designed and suitable to offer in both markets, heating and cooling. And over the coming weeks and months, we will showcase more of this product locally to consulting engineers, to end users. We also have an install base of 3 units within India now. We also want to showcase these systems going forward in the future, and we believe this will be a really good solution, ease of maintenance, take away a lot of problems for buildings, but most importantly also save a lot of energy in the building. So thank you.